Alright, hello guys, welcome to my first presentation where I talk about the market engine. To start off, what is the market engine? It's my interpretation of the interbank price delivery algorithm refined with the MMXM. There's four different stages. First things first, price accumulates, it hunts liquidity, it rebalances to a price delivery array, so a PD array, and price goes to equilibrium at some point, right? So what is MMXM? It's a market maker model. It's got two sides, buy model and sell model. Both sides start with an initial consolidation, right? And both of them have a return to original consolidation in form of an order block swing, breaker block swing, and even mitigation block swing in some cases as well. And then we have reaccumulation, expansion, reaccumulation, and smart money reversal, okay? There's three steps on the market maker models, okay? It's the pinnacle of every ICT concept. The power of three is an entry is a price viewing model. Okay, turtle soup is an entry model, and the 2022 model is a smart money reversal model as well, right? All all of this, right? Catching the manipulation in the power of three, catching the top tick of a turtle soup. The 2022 model, they're all smart money reversal moves. Okay, to go from one side of the curve to the other side of the curve, right? And that's very important. So let's talk about what we see in here, right? We have an initial consolidation, right? And let's just gauge for a second the highs and the lows, right? So we have the high right here and we have the low right here with no wick as well. Okay, let's have a look at what price did as soon as it got out. Okay, it got out and then there you go, we have the second stage of reaccumulation. Okay, and what happened here, right here with the red circle is, we have a return to original consolidation as well. And guess what price did? That was the top tick in this case to go even lower, right? To either rebalance or sweep liquidity in this case. And then price reaccumulated as well again. And guess what happened right here? This little order block right here, price tapped into it. And then after that we had a very small reaccumulation, and then we had an expansion, right? And you can see here there's always a type of return to an order block swing. So you can see here this order block specifically on the right side, we have tapped into it in some type of way. We have tapped into it, and this is just to explain that order blocks are a very key PD array in the market maker models. If you know how to frame them properly, you can easily find a trade. So price did hit the target in this case, which was buy side liquidity, right? And it also goes in conjunction with the 4 hourly PO3, right? I've got a model on my unlisted videos, right, where I talk about it. The unlisted videos is found on my Discord channel. I will link it in the description below. So let's look at the makeup of all the different models, right? So we have the power of three. First things first. People usually want to enter at the end of the manipulation so that they can gauge the distribution, right? That's just a smart reversal. This is just very simplified. We have the turtle soup right here, and it is a bit of a bad drawing, but main point is to understand how the accumulation and the turtle soup in which the wick lives the damage is basically the same as a smart reversal. Then we have the 2022 model right here, and this is the high time frame candle reading, and this is the low time frame reading as well. So we have the stop hunt, we have the market structure shift to the downside, and then we have a return to a lower time frame fair value gap or a high time frame order block. It doesn't have to be like 1 minute and 50 minutes. It can be 1 minute to 5 minute, right? Main concept is that it returns to an order block or a low time frame fair value gap in this case. And let's have a look of all the concepts applied, right? So we have the AMD setup right here. We have the turtle soup right here as well, as price has swept the liquidity and returned back into the range. And then we also have price using this specific order block as a breaker swing in this case, right? It tapped it very cleanly and price just went and distributed all the way up. This is very interesting to look at. All these concepts are all a smart money reversal concept basically. And that's it. I hope you guys liked the video. Please do give me suggestions, recommendations, and everything about what I should do next. And yep, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.